All right, Grok, go ahead and repeat your last answer in terms of the space weather event that's going on right now and give some definitive time frames for us. Seems like.
The main event right now is an M5.7 solar flare from sunspot 4436 that peaked around 1339 UTC today, triggering an ongoing minor R1 radio blackout on the sunlit side. Solar wind is steady at about 400 kilometers per second with no geomagnetic storm, and low-level aurora possible tonight in northern areas through early tomorrow.
Okay, well, would that have an effect on FSD? I keep getting the critical red hands warning for, keeps breaking in and out.
The minor radio blackout from today's flare can degrade GPS signals, which FSD uses alongside cameras for positioning. Some Tesla drivers reported GPS errors and FSD disengagements during similar events. The manual doesn't list space weather specifically, but it notes poor visibility or environmental issues trigger red hand warnings and limit FSD, so keep hands ready and clean cameras.
So repeat that. I was being interrupted by the critical interventions here.
The minor radio blackout from today's flare can degrade GPS signals that FSD relies on, with cameras for positioning. And some Tesla drivers report GPS errors causing FSD disengagements and red hand warnings during flares. Manual says environmental issues like poor visibility trigger those critical interventions, so clean cameras and stay ready to take over.
So go into more detail about the GPS and how the GPS signals being out or incorrect or affecting the FSD.
Solar flares like today's release X-rays that ionize Earth's upper atmosphere, causing GPS signals from satellites to scatter, delay, or fade, leading to position errors of meters to miles, as seen in recent Tesla reports.
And there you go. We show no signal now, which I normally have a signal here. It just blacked out. So maybe that space weather's a little rougher than we thought. Let's see if we can go FSD.